Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the LumberJack and we're going to do a quick television tutorial. This television actually turns on with your I/O button up here on the top right. Now, in order to make certain that you guys are using this television in the right way, this is kind of old school where it actually has to be on channel 3. So if you change a channel, it'll actually turn off. So if you're on cable, if it'll actually say number 2, if you're on number 3, you'll actually have television function. So if you accidentally push the channel on this remote right here, it'll actually change what you're viewing. And so you actually have to have number 3. In order to change the channel, you're going to need to use the dish remote control. And then you have the functions right here, which basically is going to be your up and down buttons for your cable. So as you would have right here, traditional volume button, and that should allow you to change the channel. So as you cycle through, just go up, figure out what's active. Not all the channels will be available, but you can see that this happens to be a green number 1, and the same thing on this particular television. Up in that top left corner, you see a number 1. So this particular remote actually functions with this television. There happens to be another TV that uses the blue number 2. That is for this second television. It will not work with this particular TV. So if you have any further questions related to the operation and use, you can go ahead and give me a call. Our landline office number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.